Hello folks, Waz from B&B Audio Concepts, and what are we doing today? Another Bentley. And this one we have done a KENWOOD 8020 DAB, which is a wireless Apple CarPlay, as you can see. General radio, DAB, Bluetooth, USB with USB video. Great bit of kit. It's brought this older Bentley up to date. We've removed the original and added this, and job done. If interested in something like this, give us a shout. It's Waz at B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275, part of the KENWOOD Pro Installer scheme. We've also added a reverse cam, and there we are with the reverse cam. So hopefully we will speak to you soon and show you some more. There's another one done over there with a KENWOOD. Thank you very much.